Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your new DU SIM card online in 2026. So whether you are a tourist who just landed or a resident with a new line, you can now skip the store visit and get connected instantly using your smartphone. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. From here, you need to download and install the DU application on your device. Now, when you open the application, you just have to simply look for the option of activate your SIM. So it will be right here on the home page. After tapping on that particular option, you will be redirected on the next page where you will be prompted to insert a SIM. So if you have a physical SIM, you just have to insert it into your phone now. If you have an eSIM, the application will guide you through the digital installation. For the smoothest experience, you can select the login with the help of the UAE pass. So this will automatically verify your identity using your digital Emirates ID, which is required by the UAE law. So if you are a tourist and if you don't have the UAE pass, you will need your passport and the entry stamp. So the application will prompt you to scan your passport's photo page and then take a quick live selfie. So this facial recognition step matches your phone to your passport to ensure a secure verification. Now, once your ID is verified, the application will show you the list of the available welcome plans. For tourists, there is often a free starter pack data for the very first 24 hours. The residents can choose their preferred prepaid and the postpaid plans. So you need to select your bundle and tap on the option of confirm. Finally, after doing this, restart your phone. Within a minute or two, you will receive a welcome SMS from DU confirming that your line is now active. If you are using an eSIM, you need to follow the on-screen prompts in order to add it to the cellular plan or to add cellular plan in your phone's setting to finalize the connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.